What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to BMW car meet sponsored by Dining, but I believe it's hosted by BMW Car Club of Atlanta. I think that's their name. Never been there before, so I don't know what to expect. You can see we're taking the G82 today. It's been filthy for the last couple of days in Atlanta. We got some snow for the first time in years. Second time this one actually, but snow is new to us. So the car been filthy for the last couple of days, and I finally washed it yesterday. Not the cleanest, but it's better than what it was before. So yeah, we're gonna go to this car meet. Don't know what to expect because I've never been there before. Before we do that though, I gotta pick up one of my friends, and this car is down right now actually. We also got a BMW too, but this car is done, and we're gonna go pick him up, and we're gonna head straight there, and we're gonna see what they have. Now we're at the gas station. We're getting some fuel. Fueling up. Hey, let me know how much gas is when y'all stay in Georgia. At 416. It's a little bit more than that, but I put my fuel rewards in. If y'all don't, that's another thing everybody should do. Wherever y'all buy gas at, always sign up for the fuel rewards program. You can always get some money off fuel. Think about it like this: we're gonna buy fuel for the rest of our lives, so why not, sign up for each gas station fuel rewards programs. You get some money off every time you buy gas. But it was like $4.19 before I put my number in. 3 cents off. Ain't much, but I'll take it. Okay, so my car took $44 to fill up. It wasn't all the way on E. If it was on E at 416, it probably would have took like 55, something like that. Let's get this in there. Car, for it to be a stock car, this shit pulls. I can just only imagine what it's gonna feel like when it's tuned. As I can see, we're about 9 minutes away now. I'm starting to realize why everybody's saying that the S58 is the best motor that BMW ever made, or most reliable motor that BMW made. Corner. Okay, Honda Odyssey. Honda got them KWs on right now.
Chill out, boy. Nah, he wild.
You doing that because I did. I can see just pull it up. Number 5. E90 right there. Okay.
There's no spots, I guess.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah. Here.
Weird as hell.
Here or over there? Oh, here, over there. What? No spot? Oh, you parking spot?
It's 335. 335 boys right here. 550. think that's underrated and they don't talk about that enough. This shit is mean, man. X5M right here, you see that intake poking out on the front. Carbon front grills. These are nice. This boy is tinted up. Back. This shit's nice. Got an F80 right here. Same with this color. I feel like a lot of people like this color too. Don't see a lot of them around, but they're pretty nice, man. 335. Oh, it's an M5. Oh shit. G90. Is that G90?
Yeah.
It's my first time seeing the new M5s in person. This shit is crazy. It's like a burgundy color. I'm not sure what the color code is for this one. This is insane. This is insane. So there y'all have it. New M5s in person. My first time seeing one in person. This shit is pretty nice. I like the color, the interior, jam-packed. See, suspected. Wow. That's nice. It does have the carbon ceramics, it look like. Yeah, let me know how y'all feel about this. It is hybrid. Some people like it, some people don't. So let me know in the comments how y'all feel about the new M5s. Now that I'm seeing it in person, my personal opinion, it's not bad. The car looks nice, obviously. Would I get one? Probably not. Not my thing. It is nice though. Whoever does like it, I do understand why y'all like it. I think the only bad thing about the car is just the fact that it's hybrid. I think that's the main concern that most people have with it. Interior is pretty nice, as y'all can see. Got an M3 right here. My dog needs some air in that back tire right there, man. Yeah, M3. S58. Interior pretty nice. This one. Guy got the gloves right there too. Is that a Beamer Invasion tag? Yo, he already got a Beamer Invasion tag. A lot of people love the S58 motor also. It's tunable once you do the crank covers. It's always, oh yeah. It's M5 comp. It's tough right here. Interior, this is nice. I can see Paula Sport 4S is on the back. It's pretty nice. It's nice to hear. Nice car, man. There's a lot of BMWs here, so I can see. Can't go wrong with the M5. Got the Porsche. I don't know much about Porsches. What is this? What is this? A boxer? I don't want to disrespect. Let me look at the back. Don't know much about Porsches, but it's pretty nice also. Oh, it's a 911 Carrera. Oh, shit, my bad. Carrera S. I said boxer, bro. Shit. Got the Porsche GT4 RS. Fuck, this shit is crazy. Carbon ceramics. Got the green RS carbon front lip on the sides. It does have the yellow front brake calipers. If I don't know, these cars don't have lug nuts. That thing right there is how you unlock the wheel. It's pretty crazy. How y'all feel about these side skirts on the side right here, the carbon side skirts? It's pretty nice. Big front wing, or the big back wing. It's just nice. Got the M4 over there. Got a supercharged E39 M5. Oh shit, I didn't realize E39 M5. Supercharged, as I can see. It's nice, I like this. Got a 9-inch truck bar. I'll throw some dining in there. I used to have an E39 on my first BMW. The E39 530i. Got the BBSs on this one. Yeah, this is pretty nice though. I like this. It's nice. M5 right here. It's pretty nice. Alpine white M5. Can't go wrong with the Alpine white. It's crazy. Black rims. And this is a comp. It's nice. And we have the G80 right here, comp. I don't know what kind of wheels these. What kind of wheels are these? Phaleric? Not 100% sure, but they are nice. Do I like them personally? Yes, I like them, but would I get them in my car? No. I don't think that's my style, but it is nice though. Got an E46 M3 right here also. Which is nice. Stud conversion. No tint, the boy has original interior. It's the OEM interior. Just pretty nice. This is with G87 right here. Let me know how you guys feel about the G87s. First, when they first came out, a lot of people was hating on the car, but now I see a lot of them around. Look at mine. G80, let's go. This is wrapped with blue. It's a blue wrap. Don't know what's the original color before. Yeah, man, it's nice. M2 tag. I like the tag. G80 things. I wish I'd have got those wheels on my G80. And we even got the. I think this. I see a Lady Beamer tag in the dash N55. What is it? 535. So you see E36 M3 right here. Nice as hell. Mint. Let's see if we got the original interior. Yeah, it looks like the original interior. It's pretty nice. That's why they used to put real leather in cars. It's probably like a 1995 or something. Look how good the interior is. The leather is super plush. Back seat. Those not wrinkles. That's just how plush the leather is. It's pretty nice, man. Look at the front. Super nice car, man. Just an F82 right here. Got the black exterior. Is that carbon ceramics? No, it's not carbon ceramics with the red interior. Pretty nice. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to this video, man. I'm getting y'all a lot of cars right now. Another M4 right here. Before I got my G80, I was gonna get an M4. Actually, I was gonna get an M3 actually, but that deal didn't go through, and I ended up getting something else. This is nice also. Don't like the wheels. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad.
Slam it just a little bit.
Yeah, I feel like if you lower it a lot better. It's nice though.
You mean slow cars right
Nice.
there?
My boy Dorian just pulled up. What's up, brother? My Ty just pulled up. Cut. This is nice though, man. Like I said, the wheels is not my favorite. What's the TEs?
Huh? No, those are Advance.
Oh, Advance. All right, y'all. Seems like everybody's starting to leave now, so probably gonna get out of here soon. But this meet was a good meet. Finally, we got to come to something that was well organized and well put together. No hooning, no bullshit going on. They about to fucking crash out over there. But yeah, man, overall, this was a good meet. Can't complain. We got to see a lot of cool cars. We met a lot of cool people out here. All right, y'all, it's the end of the video. I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and Comment down below and let me know what kind of cars y'all have. I'm interested to know to see what kind of cars y'all have. Appreciate y'all for watching, like always. And I have a lot more of these videos coming out soon. It's a new hobby I picked up, so hopefully y'all are interested in it as much as I am, and y'all keep watching these videos. So without further ado, man, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.